We got a roller that is no longer fucking rolling. So we're doing a roller, passenger side roller. This roller's a piece of shit. So I'm gonna have to cut these bolts off because they're covered in concrete. Usually, if the truck is super clean, I don't have to do this, but this one's fucking dirty shit. I'm trying not to use the air hammer because it'd be loud as shit. I mean, I guess this is fucking loud too. But it'd be nicer if it was welded in the back. So that way you don't gotta fight with them every time like this. And these piss me off probably more than anything on a mixer truck. Because they're stupid. And it's just there to protect you from having your fingers look like Arby's roast beef fucking sandwiches. So the next fun part is pretty much the roller's right here underneath all this. Basically, when you see that around your roller, just know that the roller's coming apart. But if anybody wants to taste, I mean, have free. But there's a grease line, and then there's 4 bolts that hold this roller on, which I don't know if you're going to be able to see it real well since there's a large amount of fucking concrete right here. But anyways, I'll have to chip all this concrete right here to get to the bolts that hold the roller on. As a mixer mechanic, you need to make sure that you have like 5 or 10 of these fucking things. Because holy shit. A lot of fiber still. Piece of shit. Alright. By the way, I already took the chute extensions off. Set them over there. Now I gotta work on the front side, which, as you can tell, there's a lot. Same way it works. Alright, now let me see if I get a socket on this damn thing. Let me try this one first. By the way, we're in a new scenery out in the field doing this. Now, I don't know if that gun's gonna have the balls, but I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, she got the balls. Oh, she got the balls. The reason I'm not getting all that concrete out yet is because I'm gonna try it, knock the roller out with the concrete. But as you can see, there's a much fucking shit came out already and whatever is up there. But I'll grab the jack next and jack up the drum. Alright, so let's jack this girl up. You can see the drum's lifting up. I just take it up high because you're gonna need a lot of room. Alright, something like that. And then I'll slide it out this way. Which, hopefully yours isn't fucking caked in fucking grease. Alright. Just got this fucker off. I just like to shove it down. Now, just have it. Now, if you're doing this by yourself, putting the roller in and out is very heavy, but it's even worse than that is trying to get these studs back up in there by yourself. So some trucks have the little handle right here. You basically reach up here and that's your bracket. Now that side isn't that bad. The other side, on the other hand, really fucking sucks by yourself. That way you can lift the roller up and out. And on 12-yarders, it's even fucking worse because they have this big fucking bracket in your way. Now, let me see if this fucking thing gonna budge. I gotta get this. Big ball of fucking grease. And there's one roller. They are heavy, so if you're gonna do it, be very careful because they're fucking heavy. Now this next part, we gotta be kind of a fucking contortionist. Okay, so what I did was I tightened the front one. I got the back one to sync up a little bit. I'm gonna have to loosen it though so I can adjust the roller. You see the old marks right there. So I'm gonna have to slide the roller back this. Alright, now I'll get the jack and everything out the way. That's pretty much it. The only other thing I gotta do is put that roller in the truck. I need to take out the grease fitting, put the grease fitting up there, and put on the put the two guards back on, and the roller's done. So once I get everything back together, I'll come back and show you the drum turning and with the new roller. So now with the drum turning and the new roller, it's smooth. Like I said, you gotta be kind of a fucking contortionist to do this shit with your body to get in there to get the back bracket on, but other than that, that's how you do a roller. And then you want to start it and make sure everything looks pretty centered on the roller, and everything looks pretty good. I got the brackets back on, the little stupid safety guards. So yeah, thanks. If you want to see anything else, let me know in the comments, and I'll start posting it. See ya.